Okay.
Well, good. We are at the PC Richards.
Yep.
There's no more Goodyear Tire Center. We don't come in no more.
Yeah, they're always running out of soda, right? They're always empty.
Yeah, and I'm at Coke Dixie Narco. So how much is Coke?
This is Dixie Narco. How
Okay,
much is
so
Coke?
Coke is $1.50. That's that sold out Briscoe's tea. Pick something else. $1.50. Venture Orange, $1.50.
Yes.
$1.50. Ginger ale's $1.50. Water's $1.50.
Nope, water's $2.
$2, and Monster is $2.50. That's the sold out.
Okay.
All right, and we're gonna add right there. And we do pretzel. That's $1.50. That's okay. So that's
What's the next?
21.
Smart food, but that's popcorn.
That's $1.50. Then 31.
Cheese doodles.
Yep, that's gypsy doodles. That's
The
41.
cheese doodles. What do you want? Is what? Ridges? Ridges.
And we don't get that. Let's pick some difference. Let's try 12.
Fudge stripes.
Yep, fast stripe cookies.
Raspberry cookies. How much? $1.50.
At 52.
That's 52.
That's 52. That's chocolate chip cookies. 72. That's $1.50. And that's 92.
Okay, the numbers are weird. Doritos. How much are Doritos?
That's $1.50. And that's 13. That's $1.50. And 33.
Cheez-Its.
That's $1.50. And that's 53. 53. That's only the dollar. And that's 73. 73.
Those are munchies,
That's-
whatever those are.
Yep, and that's 93. And that's
Chex Mix.
Trix Mix is $1.
$1.50.
And that's Reese's Buttercups. Let's try 94. 94.
Oh, that's 04, buddy.
Okay, that's 14. That is stickers.
Yep.
That's 75.
What? Twix?
Yep, that's Twix. Okay,
Kit Kats?
that's 34. $1.75. And 44.
That's Hershey's chocolate bar.
Yep, that's Hershey
$1.75.
bar. And then 54. What's that? 5, 4. $1.75. And then 64. That's only 75. All right. 66. What's that?
6.6. That's peanuts. How much are peanuts?
Okay, it's only $1.50.
Those are wafers. What are you going at?
$1.50.
$1.50.
And then honey bun is 97. $1.50. And that's healthy bar, that's 96.
How much is that?
That's $1.50.
Okay.
And now we got
Pop Tarts?
that's 77. 77. $1.50.
Pop Tarts. Okay,
And
so what's your
71. That's also that. Okay. That's also $1.50.
Okay.
73. That's $1.50, and that's a snack. It's a DOJ vendor service.
Vending, yep. Okay, now what?
That one we got DC Narco.
So you're gonna buy something?
Stand over here this time. We're gonna add.
Okay.
All right. Now we're shaking up the cans. Now we're shaking up a Coke, Venture Orange, and Dr. Pepper, ginger ale, and so is Venture Orange. It says Diet Coke. Now we shake up the cans.
Yeah, they go splashing all over the place.
Good, nice and easy, nice and gentle. All right, like that.
Yeah, what you got?
Coke's going for water.
Okay,
Good.
it's Dasani water. What else you gonna get?
All right, let's get on the ad.
You're gonna add to it?
Now that's nice and easy. Let's fix it nice and flat. Let's fix that. Take some channel. What's this one?
No, that's face down. You don't want that, right?
That's the one way. Gotta go face up. That's face. Make sure to fix it flat. Okay, go for that. And we're gonna add a Coke. Oh, good. So we got Trader. We were little. We used to basically Trader Joe's.
Yep.
And there's a Panera. That's a Panera bread. We got Chili's.
Okay.
And
What
we got
else?
Stop and Shop.
Yep. A lot of stores around here, right?
And then we got at Homes. We got Dollar Tree. We got. And that used to be Sears. Used to be. We were little. Used to be Sears. We were little.
It's all gone now, right?
Yep, that's all gone now. And we tried a Goodyear, that's not working. The Rick no more.
Okey-doke.
That's called the rest area.
Yes, it's the rest
That's
there.
the water fountain right there.
Yes, it is. All right, we're good.
Yep, we're all good.
Right here.
Yep, we're out of here.